Welcome to this technical guide on the tm21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your tm21 is overheating and shutting down unexpectedly, you're likely facing a serious issue that needs immediate attention. This overheating can stem from various factors, such as a failing temperature sensor or a worn-out clutch. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, resulting in more costly repairs down the line. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a screwdriver set, a replacement temperature sensor, a wrench for the clutch, thermal paste, and possibly some compressed air for cleaning. Now, let's dive into the repair process. First, ensure you have your device powered off and disconnected from any power source. Begin by carefully opening the tm21. Use the appropriate screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Once the back panel is off, inspect the internal components. The temperature sensor is typically located near the cooling system. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If you identify the faulty component, note how it's connected. Carefully disconnect any cables, taking care not to pull on them excessively. Next, remove the old temperature sensor. It may be secured with screws or clips, so keep track of those as you detach it. When replacing it, make sure the new sensor is seated properly and connect it just as the old one was. Apply a small amount of thermal paste if required to ensure optimal heat transfer. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the sensor, look for the clutch mechanism. If this is also showing signs of wear, you may want to replace it as well. Use your wrench to loosen any bolts securing it, and swap it out just as you did with the sensor. Once everything is in place, reassemble your tm21 carefully, ensuring that all screws are tightened adequately, but not over-tightened, to avoid stripping. Finally, power on your device to check the functionality. Monitor the temperature to ensure it operates within the normal range. Regular maintenance can help prevent future overheating issues. Keep your tm21 clean and free of dust, and ensure that the cooling system is functioning properly. Additionally, avoid overloading the device with demanding applications or processes that could lead to excessive heat buildup. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.